Code mixing is the combination of two or more languages in a conversation. Hello, my name is Safira and I will make the presentation of my mini research with title Understanding Code Mixing in Maudy Ayunda YouTube video Thoughts on Adulting. Background of the study. Linguistics is the most important branch in linguistics, studying language and its function as a means of communication. This field analyzes in depth the aspect and structure of language, how it is used, and the phenomena that can change over time. And sociolinguistics is a combination of two disciplines, namely sociology and linguistics, from Fabrianto et al. 2022. Sociolinguistics is a social phenomenon about how language is used by humans in everyday interaction and how language is shaped and influenced by the surrounding society and culture. And code mixing is the combination of two or more languages in a conversation. One medium that frequently uses code mixing is YouTube video. I'm interested in analyzing code mixing in more depth in this research because many content creators today use code mixing in their YouTube conversation. Now research question. 1. Which code mixing occurred most frequently in Maudy Ayunda YouTube video Thoughts on Adulting? 2. How does code mixing affect YouTube videos? Now description of research objects. In the era of globalization, internet usage has grown dramatically. YouTube is one of the most popular sites in this era of globalization from around 2020. YouTube itself is the largest online video sharing platform on the internet. YouTube's success is due to its wide variety of content, allowing viewers and video creators to tailor content to their interests. One of Maudy Ayunda YouTube video, Thoughts on Adulting, featured the phenomenon of code mixing. In the video, Maudy Ayunda speaks in two languages, English and Indonesian. The way someone speaks two languages can be influenced by several factors. Factors such as environment, education, and habits can lead to someone communicating in two or more languages. Research objective and benefits. The objective of this research on code mixing are to explain why code mixing is frequently used in YouTube videos and to explain the types of code mixing that frequently appear in YouTube videos. Benefits of this research on code mixing. This research helps us understand why people frequently use language switching and analyze how language use can convey social identity and can increase appreciation for existing linguistic diversity. Next, theoretical framework. Code mixing is the use of two or more languages spoken by someone in a conversation or communication, for example, mixing Indonesian with English, Mandarin, Korean, Japanese, and others. From Chahya et al. 2023. And according to Sotiloye, 1992, in Asrifan et al. 2021, there are three types of code mixing based on syntactical pattern: intralexical code mixing, intrasensorial code mixing, and involving a change in pronunciation. Other type of name noun in the use of code mixing is include insertion, alternation, and congruent lexicalization. Insertion is the insertion of a foreign language word into a conversational sentence. Alternation means there is a change in language in one conversational sentence. And last, congruent lexicalization is the combination of the language in a sentence where both have the same structure and meaning. Multilingual societies often speak using code mixing or code switching. From Han Hatak et al. 2022. This can be used by several factors. Factors that can influence code mixing include someone's background, demographic factor, and the influence of modern development. The existence of language variation in code mixing means that in society people do not only use one language but can use a variety of language from WATI 2020. So this is analysis table. Insertion in here appear 26 times with 76.5%. Alternation appear 5 times with 14.7%, and congruent lexicalization appear 3 times with 8.8%. In YouTube video Thoughts on Adulting by Maudy Ayunda. The table shows the use of insertion type code mixing appears most frequently in the YouTube video entitled Thoughts on Adulting by Maudy Ayunda. Example from each type. Insertion, walaupun sebenarnya orang menganggap adulting itu umur 21-an. Alternation, mengangkat sebuah isu yang lagi banyak dibahas teman-teman and just share my thoughts. Congruent lexicalization, ternyata dunia tuh enggak sestruktur dan enggak selinear dan enggak seclear itu. Code mixing can impact this YouTube video by increasing engagement and helping viewers learn new words in a foreign language. Using code mixing in conversation can also clarify sentences, as sometimes foreign language terms are easier to understand, such as the word adulting, which refers to process of becoming an adult. Furthermore, code mixing can enhance appeal and become a distinctive feature for the content creator. Last conclusion. Code mixing is a type of sociolinguistics that studies the use of one or more language in a conversation. Code mixing in YouTube video has been widely implemented today, especially by multilingual content creators. The use of code mixing in YouTube videos is quite effective when considering the target audience and the purpose of the video. Therefore, it is important for video creators to identify the right audience and context to avoid confusion and difficulty understanding the content. And this is references. I think that's all. Thank you for listening my presentation.